Hello friend, welcome to my new video. You are watching to Jin Baek biography fact and this video. So friends, we are promote this video only for entertainment and educational purpose only. So guys, I hope you are subscribe my channel and like. Jin Baek is a Instagram session fashion model and YouTuber who hailed from South Korea. Coming to 22, Baek has amassed more than 1.1 million followers on Instagram, making her one of the most follower models from South Korea. Jin Baek is an Instagram personality who comes from South Korea. Well, the model was born on December 25, 1991. Baek's ambitions, practical, discipline and moving on the gorgeous has not disclosed any information real her present as of now. And she has not mentioned anything about her sibling as of now. Our team is currently surveying his family. If we find any information, we will let you know. The South Korean model is a graduate person.